This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable this option. It's called Stay Awake. The screen will never sleep while the phone is charging. So you can pretty much have your phone on indefinitely if you're watching something. So this is very easy. We can just scroll on down from the top right and go to settings. And we can go to the developer options and unlock that. But first let's stop at display. Some Android phones, depending on which brand you have, will have an option for Stay Awake. I think on my Google Pixel, there's an option where I can indefinitely have it on. If I'm looking at the screen or something like that, or if I'm just watching something, the screen won't turn off. So just look at display and just see if there's an option under there. And maybe you can check out the battery section too to see if there's anything in here for it. And I don't have that option on my Samsung phone. So I want to go all the way down to About Phone and look for build number. You might have build number on your Motorola or Google Pixel under About Phone. Samsung, you need to go to software information and tap build number 7 times. Once you tap this 7 times or something, we can go back. We can find developer options under About Phone for your Samsung. Under System for your Google Pixel, Motorola, etc. Go to System, scroll down, and the developer options should be at the bottom of the screen. Now here's the option for Stay Awake. Screen will never sleep while charging. So we can look at that too. Otherwise, we can look at screen timeout, and you can just change how long it takes for the screen to turn off. So we got screen timer, something like there. So look for that option. So screen timeout under display. And my screen timeout is only set to 1 minute. So it looks like I do have this option under here. Keep screen on while viewing. So I can set this to 10 minutes. And if I look at my phone, the screen is never going to turn off on me. So look at these different options. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.